How can I transfer money from my debit card to another bank account?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll discuss how to transfer money from your debit card to another bank account. Whether you need to send funds to a friend, pay a bill, or make a purchase, transferring money between bank accounts is a simple process. So, let's get started.
Check your bank's transfer options.
The first step is to check the transfer options provided by your bank. Most banks offer multiple ways to transfer money, including online banking, mobile apps, or even phone banking. Make sure you have access to one of these services.
Online banking transfer.
One of the most convenient methods to transfer money is through online banking. Here's how you can do it. 1. Log in to your online banking account using your username and password. 2. Look for the option to transfer money. It might be labeled as transfer funds, send money, or something similar. 3. Select your debit card as the funding source and enter the required details, such as the recipient's bank account number and routing number. 4. Specify the amount you want to transfer and review the details to ensure accuracy. 5. Once you've verified everything, click on the Transfer or Send button to initiate the transaction. 6. Wait for the confirmation that the transfer was successful. You may also receive an email or SMS notification.
Mobile banking app transfer.
If you prefer using your smartphone, many banks offer mobile banking apps that allow you to transfer money with ease. Here's how you can do it. 1. Download and install your bank's mobile banking app from your device's app store. 2. Open the app and log in using your credentials. 3. Look for the Transfer or Send Money option within the app. 4. Select your debit card as the funding source and provide the recipient's bank account details. 5. Enter the transfer amount and review the information for accuracy. 6. Confirm the transfer and wait for the confirmation message indicating a successful transaction.
Phone banking transfer.
If online or mobile banking options are not available, you can explore phone banking as an alternative. Here's how you can do it. 1. Dial your bank's customer service number and follow the instructions to navigate to the transfer money option. 2. Provide the necessary information, including your debit card details and the recipient's bank account information. 3. Verify the transfer amount and confirm the transaction with the customer service representative. 4. Once the transfer is initiated, listen carefully to any further instructions and note down any reference numbers or confirmation details provided. That's it. Now you know how to transfer money from your debit card to another bank account. Remember to check the transfer options available with your bank, such as online banking, mobile apps, or phone banking. By following the steps we discussed, you can easily send money whenever you need to. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. Take care, and see you next time.